Hello everyone and welcome back to our basic to advanced course for Canva. And I'll be teaching you for this lesson, which is lesson number 20, exporting. So I'll show you how you can export multivarious platforms and locally as well, and how you can directly publish your work on any kind of website, social media platform website as well. So let's go ahead and get started with our lesson. So as you can see, I've opened up Canva over here and I have opened up our previous project that we worked on. Now, if you want to export locally, you can go to share over here and you can download over here, as you can see. So if you were to click on download, you'll have multiple options available for you to download with. Now, as this is a video, you can export it as a video, you can export it as a GIF, you can export the SVG. So everything, the video and the audio and everything will be exported as this is best for web design and animation. So if I were to click on this, as you can see, videos, audios, and animations won't play when exported as this file type. Try downloading it as a video MP4 file, as you can see. So any elements that you have, like text and anything, they will be exported. The videos will be exported as a thumbnail, and the audio will not be exported. So you won't be able to hear the audio, you won't see the video, but you will see each pages over here as like single pages with the text. Then you have PDF print, you have PDF standard, you have PNG, you have JPG, and you can export, let's say, all the pages, or you can export separate pages as well. And in case for videos over here, as you can see, you can also set that download pages as separate files. So you can download this as separate files and it will download as a zip file. And then you have this option to save download settings, where you can save the download settings for later use. So that's exporting locally. Now you can share this design with people. That's also one part of collaborating. You can also add people over here. Then you can also have a collaboration link over here where you can set anyone with the link. So you can then copy the link and paste it to anywhere, and anyone with the link will have that access depending on what setting you have selected and then copied the link. Then you have some quick access over here: Instagram, Present, Google Classroom, and Public View link. So pressing this will correspondingly upload them to the corresponding sites. Then you have Share on Social over here. So Share on Social will give you some options as previously. Instagram, you have Facebook page, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook story, Pinterest, LinkedIn profile, LinkedIn page, Tumblr, and you can also schedule it. So if you were to click on schedule over here, you can schedule where to upload. So if I were to click on next right now, as you can see, select a channel, then you can select the channels from here and you can schedule and upload as well, or publish as well. You can send to teacher if your account has a teacher enabled, and you can send it to your teacher. And underneath more options over here, you have other options and wide variety of options over here that you can go ahead and publish and share your work. So that's basically it for exporting in Canva. And this will conclude our entire course. But at the end of this entire course, there will be a few class projects. So do keep in touch. So thank you for your time and goodbye. And I'll be seeing you in our class projects.